Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Jin. So I was gonna go ahead and just create my character from scratch, but when I seen the option to import your game face, if you don't know what game face is, just take a look at my character. Who does he look like? Enough said. So since I got my character looking like me, I know for a fact that this is going to be a great series. And if you guys are ready to see these episodes start flying left and right, be sure to slap that like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. And look at this. The tattoos are off the chain. The graphics on this game are beautiful. And you see all the different tattoo options. I went ahead and fast forward. Yeah, I got some nice tattoos. I got the right arm sleeved up. I got some chest tattoos, and on my left, an unfinished sleeve. And now take a look at this. Since this is the early stages of my career mode, I have a lot of items that are locked, but one thing that is not locked are these mouth guards, my mouthpiece. I went ahead with the flashy route, and look at this. This looks pretty cool. It's a mouthpiece that looks exactly like a gold grill, so why not just go with that? One thing that you're gonna notice is I decided to just go ahead and become a boxer because you guys know how I fight in EA UFC. You've seen the two previous videos. I like to stand on my feet. I like to throw punches more than I like to kick, and why not just go ahead and start off with the highest punch speed and the punch power? After creating your fighter, you go straight into the gym. This was one of my favorite parts of this creation so far. I was not expecting to just go into the gym, and as you see in the background, look at my man doing crunches. He's out there trying to get ready for his first fight. But after we finish doing our thing, doing the punching bag dirty, there's a couple more things that we got to do. We got to impress coach. We got to let him know that we're ready for the octagon. Otherwise, we're going to have to go back and do some more training. So even though I'm a boxer, I got to get my kicks up. I'm definitely going to try to work on everything. Now look at this. After tearing up the bag and trying out my kicks, my sparring partner, my sparring buddy, he's doing me dirty. We were supposed to avoid getting hit and not really take that much damage, but as you're seeing, we took a little bit too much excessive damage, so it's all good. To make things fair, now we can go all out. Now we can get some revenge. As you see, we rocked him with that uppercut right there. And to be honest with you guys, I'm impressed with this game. Even though this is the early stages, we just started our creation. I'm having a lot of fun. As you see, the game looks visually impressive. The mechanics, the fighting mechanics, beautiful. I'm just having so much fun, even though I just got rocked. If I would have went to sleep right there, I would have to create a new character. I would have to remove my game face and just create a new character from scratch because that would have been embarrassing. Getting knocked out in the sparring session, that is not YouTube worthy. Oh my gosh, but this is fun though. This is really fun. There's only 17 seconds left. Unfortunately, I wanted to put him to sleep. I wanted to do something like that, but it's still early. I still gotta upgrade my attributes, which I'm definitely gonna do. You're gonna see everything in the career mode series. As always, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do and you want to see more EA UFC right away, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.